That's cute, ain't it? Ooh, girl, I know. You want to know how I did it? Let me show you. So my clients were getting married. I had two bun sizes. We went with the smaller one, but she wanted it to look more natural, not so perfect. So I took some Marley hair and hot glued it down to the bun, as you see. Now, it took layers. I couldn't just do one flat layer because you have to hide the glue. You have to be able to have it tucked into the bun, but it's really a quick, simple way to not have to do so much work yourself. And as you see, this is how it turned out. Now on to her hair. When I first started doing her hair a couple years ago, it was much shorter than it is. So I'm super excited that her hair has grown so much. To set the stage, I used Design Essentials Almond Avocado Natural Line to shampoo and condition her hair. I also started with their honey shampoo to clarify to make sure that my moisturizing shampoo was definitely well received by her hair. I put leave-in conditioner, a heat protectant by Kenra, and then I blow dry using my Silk Out Systems blow dryer. Here's where the magic happens. It's really important for you to take small sections, apply your product. I'm using edge control to comb into her hair, then brush into her hair in small sections and continue to slick up. The reason why I'm doing this is so that she will have a flat, smooth ponytail to completely nest her bun. Because her hair was blow dried, it's much easier to navigate through her hair. The smaller the sections, the flatter the hair. As you can see, I continue to go around and around. I use a larger brush than a smaller brush to make sure her hair is flat. Midway through, I went ahead and added a ponytail holder to secure that hair. As I go up each row, I brush the hair up, I add the product, and then I go back and brush again. The brush is super important. I have a double-sided boar bristle brush. One side is super soft, one side is firmer. The smaller brush I'm using has a much firmer bristle, but it does a really good job of getting that hair perfectly smooth as if I flat iron her hair. On this last section, I make sure to leave out her baby hairs because once you put that edge control in whatever direction, that's the way the hair is going to go, and you don't want to harm yourself or your client by brushing in the opposite direction. Now, I don't know if y'all looking, but baby, that joint is slick. And you see, she like, yeah, I'm popping. Let's get it. I secure the last layer with the hair tie. I comb her hair on the end and make a nice little knot. I go back and give her a couple little swoops with those baby hairs because, baby, the baby hairs is what sets it off. Now we're applying the bun. I'm taking the bun, I'm adding it to her hair, and I'm securing it down with bobby pins all the way around. You see, she loves it, and it's super, super cute, super simple, and not too grown for a little girl, and it still represents, hey, I have natural hair, and I don't need my hair straightened to be cute for this event. Now, you see, she's rubbing because she was shocked herself at how smooth her hair got, so we were really excited. Now, adding on the final touches, her bonus mom ordered this beautiful headpiece that was super simple to apply. We just added bobby pins to each end, and I went through and added them around the front to secure the bun. None of this hurt her at all. Just want to let you guys know. There's a way to connect the bun to her hair with not digging into her scalp, and that's what I wanted to make sure I did. I also asked her on several occasions, does she feel the bobby pin in her scalp, and she let me know no. So we also wanted to make sure we shook it, and her moved her head around, and she played and danced just to make sure the bun was secure as well. Now that that's all done, just want to show you how cute she looked during the wedding. This is outfit 2. This is outfit 1 with her bonus mom. And this is outfit 1 with her dad. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have questions. And just remember, I'm here for you.